The thing I'm going to say now is going to surprise many of you that are preparing for this JAMB exam. But I need to say it as a way of preparing you. Last year, over 77% of JAMB candidates failed. That is about 1.4 million persons failed JAMB. One of the reasons why they failed is that many of them were preparing with the scientific calculator. So I am giving you this video as a way of pre-warning you. In this channel, we have worked out together preparing you for this exam, giving you past questions, the answers. We have been working, I've been dropping videos for you almost on a daily basis. And I need you to pay rapt attention, because you need to know, I've given you this warning before, but I'm giving it to you again. JAMB will not give you scientific calculators. So I am reiterating it. The one that they will give you is what I call Pangala calculator. Is going to be this kind of market. You can see it on the screen. This kind of market women calculator without sign. There will be no sign. There will be no cosine. You can see this is the kind of calculator they will give you. There will be no sign. So you will not find this kind, right? You will not find the normal calculators you are used to. If you are writing WAEC, they normally give you a scientific calculator, but JAMB is not that way. JAMB will give you only a market woman calculator. I am sounding it afresh. Not even that they will give you a physical calculator. The calculator will be on the computer. You know, JAMB is CBT, is computer based. So in the computer of your JAMB, you will see that calculator. And I need you to pay attention. You can see, look at how it appeared. So the things I need you to do, number one, familiarize yourself with this JAMB CBT interface. That was why JAMB mock was important, but many of you do not write mock. Even some that register for the mock did not eventually go to write it. Now, familiarize yourself. Just go online, search for how to practice the CBT, or go to computer, cyber cafe. Just make yourself, there are several apps you can use that will get you familiar with it. Now, the second thing for you to do is stop reading, stop making your research, stop solving past questions with scientific calculator. Go and buy or get this kind of market woman Pangala calculator and start using it. Also, remember that start practicing past questions over and over again, and do that with your this normal kind of calculator. Go over and memorize things like when they say sine 60, what is it? What does sine 60 mean? Tan 60, cosine 60. Go over and memorize basic formulas like Pythagoras theorem, BODMAS, basic things. Tell yourself that we don't have time. We just have about a few days to the exam. Go over, forget your scientific calculator, throw it away, dodge it somewhere, lock it up somewhere. Get a normal kind of calculator that has basic plus, minus, division, subtraction, and start using it as your companion in your preparation. I hope this helps you. Start now to familiarize yourself with not using a scientific calculator. If you have a question, come under the comment and ask me. If you have not joined our channel, if you have not become a full member, just click on join. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Like this video, subscribe, and also share this video to your classmates, your friends, and to everybody you see that will be writing JAMB. I am waiting for you in the comment section. You have a question, feel free to ask me now. I'm leaving for you a very important video on the screen. Click on it and watch. I'm giving it to you free of charge.